Hey everybody, I just wanted to say thank you for your continued love and support, and especially after this little copyright strike incident, that was just a kind of a crazy situation, and I've kind of let go of some of the anger. The video's still running, and I've had so much love and support and encouraging words, and I just want to say thank you. And so it's time once again to do something for my subscribers here on YouTube. And for the holidays, get a bite of that donut there. But I had planned on doing a holiday giveaway anyway, and I'm going to do one on my website separately in a couple more days or next week or so. But this one, if you'll just click on the link below, you'll get a chance to win, or you might have a couple of chances depending on how many options we give you. But I wanted to give away two things just to say thank you for your loving, kind encouragement. It means the world to me. I have had a channel for 3 years now, and I've really put my heart and soul into it, and I just want to keep doing that and showing people how to create art, to do acrylic pours, to do traditional painting, to do resin art. And I just want to keep sharing my knowledge and help you become the best version of you as an artist. Or if you just like to watch as therapy or relaxation or whatever, I am happy to be a part of your life in that way. And so, of course, if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell on the bottom right for notifications. I'm not sure on my phone what side it is because typically I use a video camera that's over me when I'm painting. But I have two things to give away, and so the things that I chose this time is I have this beautiful, I'm not sure what size it is. It's pretty good sized, and it's a metallic luster print of a lion that I painted, and it was an acrylic pour, and then I embellished over it. And this is, I want to say it's 12 by 15 inches. So it's a substantial size, and it's a gorgeous painting. And it stands for courage. Courage to be you and courage to be a good person, right? So I want to give away that print. I've been saving it for a good day to do it. I think today's a good day. And then I have a pillow cover. Let me scoot back so you can see it. This was a painting I did at the end of the summer. It was an online art event, and I painted outdoors at a botanical garden. And so this is a fabulous, I want to say it's a 16-inch pillow cover. You don't get the insides because, you can get them at Walmart or anywhere, but you'll get the pillow cover, and you can put it on a pillow and set it on a chair in your bedroom or living room or wherever you want to put it. So those are my two giveaways, and I had said, and I'm still planning on it, when I get to 75,000 subscribers, which I'm not too far away. We're only about 400 or 500 people away from hitting the 75,000 mark, which will be a big goal for me. I'm going to give a free painting to someone, some lucky person, and when I hit 75,000. And I will do a drawing at that point, and we will pick a winner. And that person will get to ask me to paint them whatever they choose, whether it's a pet portrait or a floral or a bird portrait, anything. I love to paint anything. So that's going to be my gift to someone at 75,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for your support. It really has meant so much to me over the last few days. It's kept my spirits up. I've continued to create And I will continue to create because that's where my heart is and that's what I love to do. It's my passion. And nobody's going to stop me from creating. So have a fabulous day, a fabulous weekend, and I will see you on the next video. Hugs and kisses. Love y'all. Bye-bye. I forgot one thing. Please join me on Monday, December 14th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time over in Facebook, CounterCultureDIY support group. And I will post a link to that Facebook group so you can join it if you are a resin artist. And I'm going to be doing a live for them showing how to do rose gold coasters. They're kind of squarish with the live edge. They have the kind of the rough live edge top. And they have graciously asked me to do a live video for their Christmas Days event. So I am super happy about that and excited. So please join us 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, December 14th. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.